Hi viewers, welcome back to my channel. Today in this tutorial we discuss on the topic is HTML5 input type number. What we discuss today? How to write input type number using HTML5. I will explain each and everything step by step with coding also. Before going to coding, I will say one thing. Texas technologies provide all the web technologies like HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, JavaScript, jQuery, AngularJS, and digital marketing tools like SEO, SMO, SMM. Complete free web technologies and digital marketing tools provide the Texas technologies. So guys, please like, share my videos, and please subscribe my channel. If you click bell icon, also I can directly get notifications to your Gmail. Okay guys, I am going to topic what we discuss today. How to write input type number using HTML5. This is the basic HTML structure we all of you know. Here I am right. This is the output range. Minimum, max. Min is the max, min is the 1, max is the 5. You can numerically enter any value, but you can enter manually 0 1 to 5. Okay, manually enter any number, but it takes minimum value is 1, maximum value is 5. Okay, so guys, this is the process to write the HTML5 input type number. I will write some CSS for this. Okay, this is the output. So guys, this is the process to write the HTML5 input type number. So guys, I hope we all understand how to write the input type number. If you have any doubts or comments, please below the video. Before going to complete this tutorial, I will say one thing. Texas Technologies provide all the web technologies like HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, JavaScript, jQuery, AngularJS, and digital marketing tools like SEO, SMO, SMM. Complete free web technologies and digital marketing tools provide Texas Technologies. So guys, please like, share my videos, and please subscribe my channel. If you click bell icon also, you can directly get notifications to your Gmail. Okay guys, thank you. Bye bye.